Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand the completely new AI tool used for qualitative data analysis, that is Ailyze. Ailyze is an AI-driven tool for qualitative data collection and analysis. It is used in advanced thematic insights. It is known to support autonomous multilingual interviews and produce rich qualitative analytics. Some of the features of Ailyze are: we can upload interview transcripts or open-ended responses in doc, CSV or PDF format. Ailyze extracts insights using an AI-powered thematic and sentiment analysis. We can upload the structured survey data in Excel or CSV format. It performs the theme frequency analysis, cross-group comparisons, and generate the interactive charts. We can create an online survey using an AI interviewer bot. We can design and launch a custom online survey. We can also use an AI voice bot to intelligently interview respondents in their native language. Quite amazing. Ailyze automate and scale qualitative data collection. Now let's see how we can use this tool. For this, we will go in Google and I write down here Ailyze. Now click on the first link, Ailyze. So let's see some of the features of Ailyze. We can upload the file, select the AI analysis which we want, that is a thematic analysis, content analysis, frequency analysis, cross-segment analysis. And we can also generate the custom report. Now scroll. You can definitely try this tool for free by uploading your dataset here. Some of the sample datasets are also available. Scroll. Let's see some of the features of this tool. We can upload the data in PDF, doc, Excel, CSV format. 50 plus files per analysis can be carried out. It can understand 100 plus languages. In thematic analysis, we can go for narratives, discourse, grounded theory, hierarchical. In case of content analysis, it gives a very high accuracy and low bias. Scroll. So you can see in frequency analysis, it has generated the bar chart. In case of cross-segment analysis, we can get the bar chart according to the demographics. See here, according to the gender, region, and age. It generates the custom reports, that is the interactive charts. Scroll. One more feature is it can chat with the documents. We can also use the AI interviewer for our online survey. It also offers the AI transcription services. So let's see how we can use this tool. So first of all, you will have to log in from here. Then click on Manage Files. Scroll. So this page is divided into two sections. In first, we have to upload the file, and in second part, we have to select the analysis. So analyze the doc or PDF file, analyze the XLS or CSV file, transcribe audio or video files, translate the files. AI interview can also be used. Now get the data. So we can also analyze the data from websites. So here you have to paste the URLs or upload the URLs. Multiple URLs can be uploaded provided that they are in CSV or Excel file in rows. So that also can be done. Now close from here. We'll start with the analysis. So I can upload the file from here, or I'll click here, Analyze Doc PDF file. Click here. Now I will select the files from my device. So these are the interviews of 8 respondents on sustainable tourism. Open. So you can see here all the 8 documents have been uploaded. Ailyze can analyze document in any language up to 50 documents. Remember, 50 documents at a time. So for this session, I only uploaded 8 transcripts. So these transcripts are on sustainable tourism. Now what it offers to me, choose the type of the analysis. So with Ailyze, we can generate several type of analysis such as summary of responses. We can identify key themes and patterns through thematic analysis, offering a structured view of recurring ideas. It can also extract the question-wise insights, which allows to explore a detailed answers for each specific questions. Additionally, it enables the cross-group comparison. See here. So click here, which helps us to analyze the differences and similarities between various segments and demographics. Now scroll, click on next. In further specifications, we have to specify 3 things. Get themes, codebook and frequency analysis, get answers to questions and frequency analysis, compare across segments, that is gender and type of publication, that we will see later on. Now, you tick mark here, get AI generated themes and use your own themes. Now let's see the difference in both of them. Ailyze offers flexibility in thematic analysis by allowing us to either use the AI driven themes or define and use own custom themes. So when we choose to use own themes, we can manually paste the specific theme. We can manually paste the specific themes here. So you have to just paste the themes here, or you can also write the themes here. So let me write one theme, that please include livelihood as a theme in the analysis. So this can be done. Now what it will do, that when we specify the theme here, all our responses will be coded against it. Okay, so all our responses will be coded against this particular livelihood. Now let's proceed further. Click here, format into the list. Now this is quite amazing. Theme, sub-theme and codes which are to be used, that also can be specified. So let me see if we can proceed from here by pressing a save button. See, we can also specify the optional instructions. So basically by specifying the optional instructions, we want to guide that in which direction the analysis should be considered. Press the save button. So it does not allow me to go. We have to specify the sub themes for every theme. So to make the thing simple, what we will do, let's remove this tick and press the save button. Now get answers to questions and frequency analysis. So we will have to write down here some specific questions. So basically here we will have to provide a list of questions that we want the AI to answer based on our data. So we can either paste the questions, type them manually, or reuse the previous one. So I'll just paste some questions. So what patterns or themes consistently emerge across participants' responses? The second question is, what do these patterns reveal about the underlying perceptions, values, and challenges related to the topic? So let's proceed further. Format into the list if we want. Format into the list. In this window, we can click on the settings and we can select what type of analysis is to be carried out for this question. 1. Which files are to be used for this question, and if any optional instructions are to be given. Same way we can do for this question also. Moreover, there is a test question prompt on file. Click here. Select both the questions. Press next. This analysis is to be carried out on which respondents? We can select from here. Now press save. Now comes the segmentation. We can generate a cross-category comparison by specifying the category we want to compare, such as gender, and assigning the relevant documents to each group. For example, from here, select gender, specify male. So respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, male. Scroll. Second segment is female. Now select respondent 5, 6, 7, 8. If any optional instructions are to be given, you can give here. And then let me see, anything is left out? No. Press the save button. So once the documents are categorized, we can instruct the tool to perform a comparative analysis across each theme and questions. This allows us to explore how responses differ between groups, identify the patterns unique to each category, and draw meaningful insights from the data. Now scroll up. And here is it. What type of analysis is to be done? You can select from here. There is a thematic analysis, evaluation research, linguistic analysis, policy analysis, systematic review. From here, you can select narratives, discourse, content. Is it for academia, evaluation, market and product research? This can also be done. Now you have to press finish button and click here, finish. So it will give you the message that this document has been submitted and it is processing for the analysis. You will get the report on the mail which you have provided. So you will get such type of mail. Now click on this. So basically this is a report of the entire qualitative data analysis. Now this report is divided into some sections. So the summary, word cloud, themes, questions which we had asked, compare viewpoints across the segments, and frequency analysis. Some of the actions which can be carried out is we can chat with the generated report. This report can be downloaded in doc format, Excel format. We can share with our friends. We can also add file for the further analysis. We can also add theme and again ask some questions. Now let's scroll and see the insights. We got the summary. Click here. So the report is ready on sustainable tourism. Quite interesting. Entire report is ready. See. So this is the overall report. If I want the analysis according to the respondent, that also I can get. So according to the respondent 1, respondent 2, respondent 3. Moreover, I can also chat with this document. So click here and just write down, generate the result. In bullets. Enter. Let's see what type of output it generates. Quite interesting. See, the result has been generated in the bullets. Right? Now close this. Again, we will go on the main page. So Ailyze generates the overall summary as well as the individual summary also. Now let's see for the themes. Here is it. So for every theme identified by the AI, there is a dedicated section. Okay, now click on any one of the theme and you will get the dedicated section on it. See this. Okay. Now click on any of the document here. Click here and it will give you the source. So respondent 1, and from where this particular theme has been generated. it will give you the source. So close it. So each theme is backed by the footnote in which it specifies the source. Now let's proceed further. We'll scroll up and let's see what it generates more for us. Word cloud. This is a word cloud. Word cloud bar chart also it gives. Let us open this. Quite good. Now we require to compare the themes across the segments. So click on any theme and open this. So you'll be able to see here for male and female. Just let me wait. So here is it. Compare viewpoints across the gender. Male respondents' perspectives on resource depletion and environmental damage. This we got the result because we had created the categories. Female respondents' perspectives on resource depletion and environmental damage. Cross-gender comparison, similarities and differences also it will find it out. Quite good. Now scroll. We will also get the quotes, the sources according to the gender from here. Overall, specific gender-wise. We can download this graphs also. What other thing it generates? Let's scroll and see. When you will activate frequency analysis from here, it gives me the frequencies of the themes. So here is it. So frequency analysis by theme and code. When I double click on it, it will give me the codes also. The hierarchy graph, co-occurrence network graph, now we will see the second way in which we can do the analysis in Ailyze. Close this. I'll close this also. And let's go on the top. Now we want to analyze the Excel file, basically the survey data. So click here. I'll upload from the device. So this is my survey data in Excel format. Open. So data has been uploaded. Analyze all columns in survey or specific columns. So we'll only analyze those columns in which the open-ended questions were there. So analyze text data in selected columns. Select sheet 1. Now activate. Choose the column. Now let's understand what this concept is. In first column, we were having participant, that is a ID. In second column, gender, it's a close-ended. Age, close-ended. Valuable aspects and suggested was open-ended, so I selected it. Acquired strategy, I selected it. Now click outside this box. Two columns are selected. Scroll. If any optional instructions are to be given, otherwise keep the things as it is. Identify top themes and sub themes. Use my own themes and sub themes that we have already discussed. So identify top themes and sub themes. Now see the interesting part. Themes and sub themes have been identified with description, curriculum and instructions, collaboration and communications. Now we will say code each row in spreadsheet based on these themes and sub themes. Click on it. So once the report is submitted, You will get this message, press close, and your project will be loaded here. Once the analysis is completed, you will get the mail which you have specified during the login. So this is the mail which I got. Click here. So Ailyze generates a descriptive summary of the categorized data along with the visual charts displaying the frequency of each subcategory. We can also review the raw data. Let's see one by one. First of all, see the synthesis. This was Excel file, and see the synthesis which it has generated. Of course, we can also chat from here. So let's close it here. Selected codes supporting the core insights. This is done. Frequency analysis. Displaying from here, the options are either you want a raw numbers or percentage. Segment. See the segment it has taken on its own according to the gender, according to the age. This we had specified in the previous case. Here it is no longer necessary to specify. Now scroll. Frequency analysis based on themes and sub-themes. Here also options available are according to the demographic classification if we require. Scroll. Our code book. Open this. Word cloud bar chart, and this is our raw data that for creating this theme, which is the data which has been considered. So let's understand this way. Student engagement and awareness. For creating this theme, the row, that is the participant number 3, was considered. See here, as it is coded 1. Now scroll. Faculty and department collaboration, the insights related to it, its quotes. Scroll. Is there anything else which is left out? Career path visualization. So the insights as well as the quotes are available. Now the last but not the least, we want to see this feature, AI interviewer. So click here on AI interviewer. So I'll have to specify the name of the project, research objective, the time duration for which this interview should be considered, how the AI interviewer should introduce, what are the questions the AI interviewer should ask, and how do you want the AI interviewer to end this interview. Now let's feed all these things. So we'll start with the name of the project. Name of the project is Sustainable Tourism. Okay. What are your research objectives? So these are my research objectives: to explore the perceptions and understanding of sustainable tourism among key stakeholders, to identify the key strategies and practices that stakeholders believe can enhance sustainable tourism, generate the thematic insights and patterns that can inform policymaking and community engagement. Now, how AI should introduce. So, hi, I am a AI interviewer hired by ABC company. Let's start with your introduction. This is the introduction given by AI. Now we'll use some questions here, which AI will ask to the respondents. So I specified 3 questions. What are the environmental changes have you observed due to tourism in your region? How do you think tourism can be made more environmentally responsible? Can you share any examples of eco-friendly tourism initiatives that worked well? This interview, in the last, what AI should say: thank you for participating in this interview. This interview is to be carried out in which language? So select the language from here, and I'll pick up English. You can select more languages also. Then activate the survey editor. In this, we have to create basically a demographic variable. So what will I do? I'll go in paste prompt, create survey with gender and age, format into the survey. So you can see here it has generated what is your gender and what is your age, right? So we can go on adding it. Now there is a last question: recruit participants from Prolific. No, recruit participants from Cloud Research. If you want, you can do it. But for our survey, use my own participants and email interview link to them. So click here and press submit. So once you do this, a link will be created on your page. This link you can send to your respondents. The AI will carry out the interview and data will be collected, which can be analyzed again here. Make sure that depending upon the participants, you specify the languages. You can specify more than one language also. So basically, when your respondent will get the URL, it will have a setting that the interview is to be carried out in which language. Now how this interview will look like? Let's see. So AI avatar is ready.
Thank you for letting me know. Let's proceed with the interview. How did you first get interested in these hobbies?
By watching the social media.
I see. How often do you spend time on your hobbies?
Maximum 1 hour per day.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for the interview.
Do you enjoy doing these hobbies alone or with?
Thank you for the interview.
You're welcome. Thank you for sharing your insights. This can close the page.
So you can see the amazing feature of this Ailyze. Either you can go for a free option or a paid one. In free, you will be able to analyze 3 files, and in the paid, you can get a very powerful data analysis. You can also get a very heavy discount on this qualitative data analysis tool. So the promo code is just my name, that is Dhaval Maheta, DHAVLMAHETA. This promo code is also in the comment section. You can also write your email in the comment section to get your promo codes. I'll send a promo code to you. So this was all about extremely powerful AI tool in the qualitative data analysis. Kindly refer to my playlist for more videos on qualitative data analysis. I have also uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also connect with me on different social medias, link given in the description box.